Welcome to the Custom Vantage training video on recurring ship-to addresses. So if you've got a case where you have a customer for whom you have multiple ship-to addresses and you need to be able to reuse those ship-to addresses, you would not want to just enter the address on the order. That would be order specific. What you would want to do is go to the customer, edit the actual customer, and under the customer, there is a ship-to tab. Under this ship to tab, I can create as many ship to addresses as I want, and they will be available to me as I move forward. So, for example, if I were to create some new ship to addresses, so I'm going to start with copying this, and I'm going to say this is, and then we'll go to 0960. Okay. I could have a different email address per ship to. I can have a different ship via per ship to, and that will be saved with it. So I could now create another new one, and this is Bob Jones, and we'll say 1234 Main Street 90210. Okay, and maybe this one ends up being priority mail or first class mail, whatever it is, and etc. Okay, so now the beautiful thing is we have multiple ship tos for this order. So now when I create a new order for this customer, and I'll start that way, new order, and I'm going to say different customer ship to. And when I create this new order, it's now going to present to me the items on the ship to list so that I can choose which ship to address I'm going to use for this particular order. And there they are, the one going to Bob, the one going in Beverly Hills, the one going to Peabody. Now, if I chose this one, we've now created the order with this ship to information. Let's say that I had an order for which I already had something in the ship to, but realized it was wrong. Normally, and this you don't lose, normally you could click on the ellipsis and we could edit the ship to address for this particular order. However, if I actually want to change this to something that's already in the ship to record, I can click on ship to and it will show me my choices. I can choose it by clicking on the ellipsis. So I'm going to ship this to Bob Jones. There it is. I hit save and I hit close. And now this order is going to Bob Jones. I hope you found that simple and helpful. By the way, I should point out as well, when you have a large list of ship to addresses, it can be confusing if you don't know who those people are or what those addresses are. So what you'll notice is that when we create the ship to addresses within the customer record, they are assigned a shipping ID. But you can override those shipping IDs to something that's a little more meaningful. So for each ship ID, instead of accepting the default, I could say this is the headquarters. And for each one, something different, the Main Street address, whatever. Therefore, when I'm on the order and choosing that, it's easier to determine which one I want. Again, thank you for using Custom Vantage Office. I hope you found that helpful.